If you're seeing Steam error 730, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a simple fix that can solve the problem in just a few minutes. This error is often related to Steam download issues, cached data, or a region mismatch, and the good news is that you can try the fix right inside Steam without needing any advanced tools. So if you want to get back to downloading and playing without interruptions, keep watching. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials go live. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. This will open the main Steam settings panel where you can adjust the options that affect downloading and cache behavior. Inside Settings, find and click Downloads from the left-hand menu. This section controls your download preferences, including your server region and cache settings. One of the most common reasons Steam error 730 appears is because Steam is trying to connect through a download region that isn't working properly or a cached download session has become corrupted. Now look for download region. Click the drop-down and change it to a different region than the one currently selected. A good idea is to choose a nearby region, or if you already know your current one is having issues, pick a different nearby server location. This can help Steam reconnect properly and clear up network-related download problems. After changing the download region, don't worry if you see a prompt or if Steam needs to apply the change. Click Restart later if that appears. We'll restart Steam manually after completing the next step, so there's no need to restart right away. Now scroll a little further down on the same downloads page until you find Clear Download Cache. Click it. Steam may warn you that this will sign you out or reset some temporary download data, and that's completely normal. Confirm the action and let Steam clear the cache. This step is important because corrupted download cache files can trigger errors like Steam error 730 and interfere with normal API behavior. Once the cache has been cleared, close and restart Steam completely. Make sure Steam shuts down fully before opening it again. After Steam relaunches, sign back in if needed and test whether the error is gone. In many cases, changing the download region and clearing the cache is enough to fix the issue. If the problem still shows up, repeat the process one more time and make sure the download region was actually changed to a different location before clearing the cache. Sometimes the fix works best when Steam fully refreshes both settings at the same time. Also, if you are using a VPN, firewall, or unstable internet connection, that can sometimes cause Steam connection errors too. So, if the issue continues, it can help to temporarily disable a VPN, check your connection, or try again after your network is stable. But in most cases, the Steam download settings method is the fastest and safest place to start. So to recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, click Restart later. If prompted, then click Clear Download Cache, and finally restart Steam. That simple sequence fixes a lot of Steam error 730 cases without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if the fix worked for you or if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.